Hi, so I get a lot of questions about legal decision making, formerly known as custody, and parenting time. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the differences because recently, well, within the last few years of making this video, the word custody was redefined so that it was more clear to the general public of what that really means. And what it's always really meant is who's going to make the legal decisions for the child. So when you think about custody, you think about legal decision making. So it's really about which parent is going to make the decision about where the child goes to school, or if the child needs medical attention, what doctor they're going to take them to, what religious faith they're going to teach them in, and also personal care issues, like for example tattoos. A parent is making those decisions for them while they're married, so now in a divorce situation they would also decide who's going to continue to make those decisions after the separation. So of course, there's two types. There's sole legal decision making, and then there's joint legal decision making. And it's pretty obvious, but the sole legal decision making is one parent makes all those decisions without consulting the other. And then the joint legal decision making is both parents consult each other, they talk about it, and they come to a mutual decision, just like they did when the parents were together. So that's legal decision making, custody. The other issue is parenting time. So parenting time is really just that. So it's what amount of time that the child is with each parent. Now, one parent may have more time than the other, or they may have equal parenting time. So the confusion sometimes lies is where one parent assumes that they have custody because they have more parenting time, and that's really not the case. The parenting time and legal decision making are two completely separate issues. And so we prepare the documents to modify legal decision making or modify parenting time. And the distinction between the two is important because there's a different procedure for filing a modification for parenting time than there is for filing a modification for legal decision making. So you first want to be clear as to what are we actually modifying. Are we modifying the amount of time that the child's with the parent, or are we modifying who's going to make those legal decisions? And once you determine the difference, then we can prepare the documents accordingly to make sure that your outcome is what you intend. So give us a call. We'll be happy to discuss the details of your case and make sure that everything that you want in your documents is in there. We'll file it for you, serve it for you, get your hearing date, and we'll track your case from start to finish. So give us a call and we'll get started today.